Hello, my name is Grace Mbote from the Open University of Tanzania, and in this lecture we're going to look at SQL data manipulation language commands. Specifically, we're going to look at SQL special operators. This includes between, in, less than or equal than, and other wildcards commands in SQL. Remember, we're going to use MySQL database as a sample database, and I hope you acquire necessary skills that you'll need in using SQL. Now, in this lecture, we're working on SQL basic select statement, whereby we're going to learn about SQL special operators. First of all, we're going to see a table called products, which have been created before, because the process of creating a table have been covered in the previous lecture. So let us see how the table product looks like, the relation schema, by using describe products. You must be in SQL and you selected the database that you'll be working on. Describe products, you put a semicolon and then you press enter. There we have a products table which has 4 columns called is an integer whereby it must have a value and it's a primary key. We have a product name with a name and a text. Price, it's a number, double, and it must have a value. It must not be null. And manufacturer, it's an integer with a not null constraint. And now let us look what kind of data is in that table, in products table. We do select star, which means select all. From, with the select statement, you put a select and then you put a column name. To retrieve data from every column, you put a star. Select all from, and then you specify a table name, whereby in this case it's products table. Say products, put a semicolon at the end, you press enter. There we have a code column with code 1 to 10. We have name of the products. These must be computer products with hard drive, memory, zip drive, price, and manufacturer. Now let us learn about special operators that we can use in querying our database, in manipulating the data in our database. The first one we're going to use is as follows. It's a less than size. Let's select all products where price is less than 200 Tanzania shillings. We're going to use Tanzania shillings as a currency. Now select all. We are selecting all columns from products, our table. Be very careful with spelling, where price is less than 200 shillings, Tanzanian shillings. Put a semicolon, you press enter. There we have. We've got how many products there? We've got 7 products, whereby their price is less than 200 shillings. And remember, SQL is not case sensitive, but it has reserved words, whereby we're going to learn about that in another lecture. Now let us use another operator, which is less or equal. We use select all from products where price is less or equal to 150 shillings. This select statement will retrieve data for all products which price is less or equal to 150. We press enter. There we have got 5 products, whereby the first product is 120, the second one is 150, the third one is 5, the fourth one is 90, and the last one is 66. Now let us learn about another operator called like. We do select name and price column from products table, where name like D. When we put like and with a percentage sign after the letter, that means we are looking for products whose name starts with D. I press enter. There we have 2 products, DVD drive and DVD banner. These are all products which name starts with D. Let us use the percentage sign with like. This is called a wildcard operator. We select name and price from the same table of products, where name like we are looking for products whose name ends with the letter D, if there is any. You put semicolon at the end of your statement and then you press enter. It returns empty set because there are no products which name ends with the letter D. Let us use the letter Y to select a product which ends with the letter Y. We do select name price from products, where name like, you put quotes, a percentage sign, Y, you put another quote, you put a semicolon, and then you press enter. There we have a product called memory with a price of 120. And now let us look at another special operator called between, where we are going to select all products with a price between 50, 10 shillings and 150. You put a select all. You can either select all columns or a specific column, it doesn't matter, from products table, where price between 50 and 150. You put semicolon at the end and then you press enter. There we have got 4 products with a price between 50 and 150. Now let us look at another operator which is not between. You just select, let's say, name price from products, where price not between 50 and 150. You put semicolon at the end, you press enter. There we have, we've got 6 products with price not between 50 and 150. Now let us look at let us work with another operator In, you do select all from products table, where name in, that means we are looking for names which is either a drive or a memory. You put semicolon at the end, you press enter. There we have one product with the name memory, and we don't have any product with the name drive. Now let us look at another special operator. It's an equal sign. Select code and name and price from products where name equals to memory. You have to put codes before and after the name. There we have one product called memory with the code number 2 and the price of 120. In using SQL select statement, there's a way you can order your output either by ascending order or descending order. Let us look at this example. Select all from products where select all from products, order by price, descending. That means starting with the highest price within those products. You do the reverse of the previous command. Select all from products, order by price in descending order, in ascending order. There we have. This is the end of our lecture on SQL special operators and wildcard commands used in select statement, where we've learned about less or equal, greater than, between, not between, a percent sign, and in. Thank you for watching.